Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to fix the Finder not responding on your Mac. It can be a real pain when Finder freezes up, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a few easy ways to get it working again. The first way of fixing the Finder not responding is by closing the process and restarting it. To do this, you want to search for a program called Activity Monitor. Go ahead and open that up. Once Activity Monitor opens, it's going to show you all of the computer processes that are happening on your Mac. Make sure you are on the CPU tab at the top. Then go to the search box and type in Finder. From here, you should find the Finder process. Highlight it, and then click on the close button here at the top. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to quit it, and you want to click on Force Quit. This is going to force quit the Finder process, which means the next time we go ahead and boot up Finder, it should restart and it should be working again. The second way of fixing the Finder on your Mac is by logging out of your account and logging back in. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, and then click on Log Out. It's going to ask you if you want to reopen all of your applications. Make sure this is unticked, and then click on Log Out. When you log out of your account, this is going to close all of your personal processes, including the Finder, and when you log back in, it will reopen them. The third way of fixing the Finder is by simply restarting your Mac. You can do this by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner, and then click on Restart, not Shut Down. Again, it's going to bring up the same dialog, and you want to make sure the box for reopening Windows is unticked, and then click on Restart. By restarting your Mac, this is going to completely close every single process on your Mac, and it's going to completely restart them. Which means even if the problem isn't directly related to Finder, it should fix all of the shortcomings that are causing that issue. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.